Hi guys, I'm Hassel with WTI and I am a skincare lover. I not only like makeup, but I like to take care of my skin because beautiful skin means beautiful makeup. And that's why this blackhead clearing scrub from Scent Ives, it's a great option for those days when you feel like you need a detox. We usually get blackheads because of extra oily skin or dirt that accumulates on our skin when we go out. So I use this scrub on those days when I feel like my face doesn't look that good or healthy. I do this only once a week. You can use it according to your skin type or your skin condition, but once a week works for me. And I've always had skin conditions that make my skin look like chicken skin. But this blackhead clearing scrub has helped a lot with my skin texture, and I love how it smells. You see, it's green and it's really thick and creamy, and the little beads that come with the product are not abrasive. So if you guys are looking for a gentle scrub that won't hurt your skin while scrubbing, I think this one you'll like, and that's my point of view.